Hello guys, so what is up? In this video, we are going to do a brief compare and contrast once again between Gohighlevel and Wix Studio. So which one is better for your needs? We're going to go through the main factors, pros and cons, so on and so forth. And we're going to start with Wix, which is the top rated website builder of 2024. It offers unmatched website features, a large library of stunning templates, and an easy to use editor. So we recommend Wix for simple sites like portfolios, as well as small businesses looking to build a brand online and sell a few products, thanks to Wix's diverse range of features and e-commerce tools. Meanwhile, we don't recommend Wix for very large online stores due to limited scalability or niche websites that might benefit from a platform with more dedicated features for their industry. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons of Wix, those are as follows: a drag and drop editor, 900 plus professionally designed templates, AI tools, personalized SEO tools, e-commerce functionality, and you can get started with Wix's free plan to help you feel confident with using Wix before you actually pay for the premium. On the con side of things, Wix offers a vast assortment of features and tools to help you get and grow online, but it can be a lot to wrap your head around. So for beginners, it might not be the best provider for you. Another is unlimited storage space. Wix also doesn't let you swap your chosen templates once your website is live, which is, you can't edit it pretty much. And Wix's plans are more expensive than alternative website builders such as GoDaddy and Gohighlevel. When it comes to Gohighlevel, this is their overall rating. Overall rating is 4.5 out of 5, which is one of the best. Overall, Gohighlevel is one of the best in all-in-one sales and marketing platforms. It's the best tool for marketers and agencies to take their marketing campaigns to the next level. So quality is 5 out of 5. Pricing is 4 out of 5. Support is 4 out of 5. Community and features are both 5 out of 5. Again, 4.5 out of 5 stars. 5-point system pretty much. And the pros and cons are as follows. Pros, free 14-day or 2-week free trial, so you can feel out if Gohighlevel is for you. Complete website builder with funnel builder and membership options. All-in-one system allows you to ditch separate, more expensive and complicated programs. Built-in email systems, SMS marketing and automation tools, and agency portal and white label options are great for client work. When it comes to the cons, however, you cannot integrate with email tools, only SMTPs. Customer support is underwhelming at best, not as many integrations as some of their competitors. It takes longer to learn than some of the competitors. Again, it's very complicated as well. There are so many features, it can overwhelm new users. So this is an issue for both Wix and Gohighlevel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.